Alright friends, so the next thing that we're going to look into is how to update our VMware ESXi host server. So right now if you happen to see, I'm running VMware ESXi 5.0.046951, which is pretty much the vanilla build. So I'm going to upgrade this now. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to download the patch. So I have already downloaded the patch. You can go to VMware Patch Manager and from there you can download. I downloaded it quite a long back, few months back. I have downloaded this update. At the time that was the latest update. Since then, few more patches, in fact a lot more patches have been introduced. So I'm downloading the latest patch. So let us see how to upgrade this now. Right now I won't be using any update manager. I don't have any vCenter like that. So I'll be just simply using the CLI commands. And what I have done, if you remember that I have an external USB hard drive. So I have transferred the data from my laptop, the patch that I downloaded a few months back from my laptop to this external hard drive. I plugged this hard drive into my laptop and then I copied the data. Or else if you want, you can also directly transfer by using WinSCP or FastSCP by Veeam. So let me show you where is my patch. Alright, so this is the patch that I downloaded. So now I'm going to copy this and place this in this data store. The reason why I'm placing this patch into this data store is because when you are upgrading your ESXi server, you need to put your server into maintenance mode, and for that you would have to shut down all your virtual server. And right now this ISO, if you remember from my previous video, is coming through this server. So that's why I just turned on this server, and now I'm copying the ISO from this data store to DS1. So in DS1, let us make a folder. We'll name this as ESXi patch. And over here we will paste our patch. So this is going to take some time, approximately 3 minutes. So I will just pause the video meanwhile. Alright, so the copy is complete. And so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rename this file. It's pretty big. I don't want such a big name. We'll just keep this as, say, update. Alright, good. Now, the next thing that we're going to use is VCLI command. So for that, we will go into VMware VCLI command prompt, and go into bin folder, and from there I will execute a command. So this is going to be my command. Now if you happen to see, my ISO is in this location, DMFS volume, and this is the long name. The short name is D, capital S, and 1. So this is the command. EXCLI and server IP address, username, software, vim update, and then the location. So it's not going to be update. It's going to be ESXi patch that I have given the name. So let's make this ESXi patch / update. So this is the command that we are going to use. So after that, it asks for a password. Alright, one mistake I did over here. I was supposed to shut this down and put this server into maintenance mode. So let me exit out of here, close this, and I need to shut this down. Meanwhile, the server is shutting down. I will pause the video. It will take a minute or two, not more than that. Alright, so now the shutdown is complete. Now I can put this host server into maintenance mode. Okay, now it's in maintenance mode. Now I can execute the command. Ask for password. Enter the password. And then we will wait for updates to take place. Alright, so now we see that the update was successful. The update completed successfully, but system needs to be rebooted. So it took time. It took around 3-4 minutes. So now we can exit from here, and we can now reboot the server. And I will just pause the video. Meanwhile, the host server is coming up. Alright, so now the server seems to be up. So we'll just log in. And so now if you see, it is 623860. So we have now updated that successfully. So that's it for this video. We'll stop the video.